accuracy was not so good. But as things have changed, as time have changed, things are becoming better and very transparent. Now this transparency is what because of the electronic gadgets which have been invented by some great people. Now why this is done? In olden days what would happen? Now they had a ballot paper. The ballot paper you have to go and drop it in the given boxes. That was the way they were then voting. They'll check your name. Once you have entered inside the ballot, that room which is being provided, you go inside. I want silence here. You take that ballot paper which is being sealed by the government and they put the ink on you. Today also they do that ink also. But we did not have this Aadhaar card. We didn't have this PAN numbers. We didn't have other means. Even voter ID was not correct. One, because of the uneducated ground of people then. And the women section were not allowed to come out and vote. That was a very major thing. But there is some women category, they would come. But majorly, the women in the village and interiors were not allowed to come and they were totally unaware that such thing they can exercise their power. Public has so strong power that it can make anyone king overnight or can make them beggar also overnight. That is the power of people. So voting is very, very important. In India, we have got 18 years legal age. Now, what is the exercise of the power you can use when you become a voter? Electing the right person is very important. The candidature should be the right one, not the party. I always believe that you should go for the right person who is going to be the social servant of this country. He or she should not have any criminal records, very concept, but that does not work anywhere. Because all criminals who are not able to survive anywhere, they become politics. They come into politics and they rule this country. The greatest or the educated, highest educated IAS officer has to salute in front of that culprit or that criminal just because he has a political ground. So the system should change. I don't know when it is going to change because even in the politics, they should have minimal education and they should write an entrance exam. Like you, second PUC, are going to write so many exams after your second PUC. The same way, even they should undergo some kind of examination to test them whether they are capable or they are not capable of it. Simply anyone can come, I am nominating this time for this seat, you have to elect me. I give lots of money and I am being elected, even if I am a rapist and whatever I am, I will win. Because I give lots of money and I belong to so and so. If I speak about the opposite person, I become very great. That one concept of democracy and secularism is used worst in countries like India. If this concept change in the name of secularism, you are cheating our own people. I don't know why they have norms for secularism without knowing the exact meaning of what secularism means. The freedom of speech, I was very shocked. Designated people like so great personalities in our country. When you go to internet, when you check their Twitters or when you check this Instagram, such great personalities who have dedicated to this country, they are being abused. I don't know what kind of freedom of speech they have got. You have to respect the position, not the person. That is very, very important. Even if they are younger to you or they are elder to you, the position is very important because they are sitting on that position. Whoever it is, I was very, very unhappy in that Karnataka ex-CM. He was being written so long and lengthy bad things about him. Okay, he sleeps. Okay, Nidya Martane, right. But speaking so low language about anyone, I was very shocked with so-called as freedom and secularism. I don't know. But what is a voter? Who is a voter? I told you the person who has the right to vote, very important. Now, what powers we exercise in our country? We are misusing it. We are totally misusing it. But thanks to, again I'm telling you, thanks to this so-called as gadgets or the better way of EVM machines which are giving accurate information. Now, when elections were held in America, that is Harris and Joe Biden and so-called as our Donald Trump, you could witness that concept of their voting system. Every person there came out to vote. Very good concept. Because I felt it is our duty that we have to come out and take, it was a holiday which was being declared. And what is another best concept, dear students? When they were voting, the votes were then and there were being displayed. If Joe Biden was getting one vote, it was being added to him. If it was being given to Donald Trump, immediately the numbers were going up and down. Immediately it was being displayed. As soon as a voter went and elected him or whomever he elected. But we have a counting system. Their elections are declared much faster than us. We have a counting system in which again there is a lot of intransparency which goes on there. So I think transparency should be maintained because these are the people who are going to run the country. These are the people who are going to make a difference in the country. Now, why this is given to you in second QC? What are we going to do? Yes, because after this you will be eligible to vote. You will be having your voter ID. See that you don't misuse that card. They have given invalid. If you don't like someone, you can go for nota. Again, I feel that is the wrong way. Because what exactly happened, I tell you. In nota, whoever put nota, their votes was being re-elected by those whichever party wanted their votes. The nota system, what they did is, they have totally blocked that. When you go for nota, it was being blocked. So your vote was being pending. They took your Aadhaar card number, whoever elected, they went and elected those people whom they wanted. That was one found in some very small village in our country at the time of elections. So this method of system or electing, it's not only limited in India, all over the country, all over the world it is. But we are today going to study about African voting system. They are something like us only. Obviously, two parties are going to stand here because it is regarding a village. How good are we into it? How do we have a voting system in our college? That activity question is being asked to you. I don't know about this college, whether you have got voting system or no. I really don't know. But voting system should or should not be there. That is one big question. Yes, they should have presidents. That is for the students. They should have secretary. They should have one such kind of designated person who is going to look into the small affairs of the college. Any one student who is eligible, who is, he or she is fit into the bracket of giving those all details to the principal or to the class teacher or to anyone concerned person who takes care of small things where the teachers and the principals and the other people cannot reach the students. It may be queries, it may be complaints, it may be anything, it may be small or big. A college should have a president. In students, union students, they should have a vice president. They should have a sports person, very, very important. They should have a person who looks into the affairs of this college. It may be small problems. Problems are many in the colleges, but it should be looked by one head of student who is capable of handling all these crises which take place in the college. But it is not your subject. Let's start with a lesson. Now, when I go for this man, Chinua Achebe, he is one of the African writers, one of the famous writers till this day. He has written untold novels, he has written poems, he is very well versed, and people have lots of appreciation for his writing. But he is bringing us here sarcasm. He is bringing us irony here. Now, on what do those people vote? When we had elections, I shared this incident, I think I had shared last year also. They came to our college, they gave us very big, beautiful purses. They came in front of our house, they gave boxes. Inside the box, they gave 500 rupees. I didn't accept that as a secondary part because I don't feel like this. Go and give to some people who are required for it. But then someone told me it is our money only. Tax that concept also was right, but I didn't take that. I didn't take the purse also. For men, they were giving this Ramaraja Panche, Ramaraja Jubba, and they gave this. Yeah. That is what they did. And this year they gave us mask. No, the best concept is they gave us mask this year. They gave us one purse, inside that they gave us one blouse piece, they gave us vile, they gave us adke, and they kept 10 rupees into it, and then with the mask, orange color purse has orange color mask, blue color purse has blue color mask. Men again, they were being given a file, the store, and they were given mask again, black, all men were given black files, and black masks. Now this is one concept because bipolar elections, what we had for this MNCs, we had that day for ministers, that who's that, some Gowda man, I don't know what's his name. Whatever it is, some person, Chidanand Gowda, right? Yes. It is for those who have, okay, stop. It is for those who have completed their degree and they have to enroll. Once you also complete a degree, you need to enroll yourself. So this kind of concepts, they came, they told us, ma'am, namge vote madbeku, sir, namge vote madbeku. Now hing ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, hang ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. They did nothing, frankly. Because last time also we elected him only. In 5 years he has done nothing till today. He has not even shown us pen. ಬಂದಾಗ ಒಂದು ಪೆನ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟರು, ಒಂದು ಚಿಕ್ಕದಾಗಿ ಬುಕ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟರು, ಐಫೋನ್ ಫೋಟೋ ಇತ್ತು ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ. It was a diary and something. I didn't take anything. I just threw out everything. I don't like to take all those things. So this kind of concept, bribing, is the major concept in voting. Why? On Saturday I went to Bangalore. So I saw that Kumaraswamy's very big the mall is being opened up. Yes, he is opening a very big mall. He has got some theaters. Please let me speak. Now, why these people died to become, CM? Why they want to be into political fields? Why? Because it is the easiest way of earning money in loads. You can earn money as much as you want. And one biggest concept that maximum criminals are into this politics. I have already, they don't give this. Now the system is being given that you have to give your biodata. ಎಷ್ಟು ಕೊಲೆ ಮಾಡಿದೀವಿ, ಎಷ್ಟು ರೇಪ್ ಮಾಡಿದೀವಿ, ಎಷ್ಟು ಜನಕ್ಕೆ ಮೋಸ ಮಾಡಿದೀವಿ, ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ಅವ್ರು ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಟ್ರೆ ಒಂದು ಫಿಲ್ಮ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ನಾವು ಟೋಟಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಬ್ಯಾನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಒಂದು ಮೂವಿ ನೋಡಬಾರ್ದು ಅವ್ರದ್ದು. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಆ ಡ್ರಗ್ಸ್ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ಸ್ ನೋಡ್ಬಿಟ್ರೆ we are stupid, we are being fooled in the name of entertainment, we are being fooled in the name of hero and heroism, whatever it is. One big concept we learn in COVID is that because 90% of actor and actress and the directors, music directors, everyone are involved into so-called as drugs. So now in Martha I like to share all these things with you. There was a video which was being viral. I don't know whether you people have watched it or not. Akshay Kumar, who tells himself to be a very great actor, and obviously I like him very much. I always watch his movies because it is conceptual. Whatever he gives us, he gives a good message to the youngsters. Very good. I always liked him very much. Not as looks, not as actors, but he takes those kind of roles which gives a good message to the youngsters. That was my concept. That day there was an interview going on. It was compulsory that once in a year he goes to Vaishno Devi, which is in Jammu Kashmir. Compulsory he goes. Since now he has got this success, he has vowed that I'll be going once in a year, I'll be going every year there to visit, to pay our this thing to God. He said, I felt it is foolish to spend 3 lakh because I have to take my security guard, I have to take appointments, it takes 3 lakhs for me because I take my own helicopter and go there and land and I do darshan and come. Instead of that, this 3 lakh rupees I am going to give to some needy, or I'll do the parcel money to God. He said. And one person sitting there in the audience, he said, sir, I want to speak something. He was a Sardarji. He thought what he's speaking, we were very little bit, I was just thinking what he's speaking. He stood and he said, sir, I'm a great fan of yours. Oh, thank you, he said. I have watched all your movies till today. And again, Akshay Kumar was very happy. He said, oh, thank you so much. Because of you people only, I am here, there, you don't know what bundle and talks they speak. And we are being fooled all the time. But he put a but there. He said it in such a beautiful way yesterday. But after listening to this talk of yours, now what do? I take my family, per person ticket, because he is in Bombay, per person ticket, my child wants to go into gold class. Per person I spend somewhere around 550 rupees. I have 2 kids. I spend almost 2,200 rupees for my tickets. In the break, I spend 1,000 rupees for eating. Again, petrol, traffic, pollution. Again, on the way coming, I have to give them dinner. I have to compulsory, make them eat dinner because it is your film, night thing, show we go. So now I have decided that whatever this amount I spend monthly, 4,000 to 5,000, I am going to give to a beggar, and in beggar I am going to search Akshay Kumar. And he was totally shocked there. I think that beggar, I can see the beggar. In beggar, I see Akshay Kumar, he said. That talk, and he said, thank you for this. I will spread this word of yours to everywhere, that we are wasting our money on you people. We are spending our time, energy, money, everything on you people, thinking that you people are hero. and he just walked away throwing the mic. After him, I think half of the audience got up and went out. There were half who were there, I don't know, out of gratitude or maybe they like him or whatever it is. But half of the audience just got up. So this is the power of man. This is the power of public. A public has a capacity. See, we growing old, we going into big colleges, we getting good degrees, getting hi-fi life is not at all important. As you grow, you don't mature, you don't understand life, you don't understand what is right or wrong. Your education is just a paper in the dustbin. We have the power, dear students, we have the power. Today, we had one guy called as Vinya Srinivasan. He is a 2008 7-8 batch. He has studied in SIT college. He was our student. I wasn't working there in Segovia. He came today. We had just at 12:30 we had this meeting, emergency meeting it was being. We thought, I don't know what, some sky has fallen on the principal, we don't know. It's an emergency meeting, all have to come and put in the group. And we had a class, we finished a class and we just rushed down. I don't know what emergency it was. And it was our ex-student. I was very happy to share it because I want from this college also such kind of bright and knowledgeable students to take their life to a next level. Just because, don't narrow yourself. Don't narrow yourself. ತುಂಬಾ gossip ಮಾತಾಡಿ ಕೆಡದಾಗ ಮಾತಾಡಿ ನೀವು ನಿಮಗೆ ಹರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿರೋ ಹೊರತು ಬೇರೆ ಯಾರಿಗೂ ಹರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಲ್ಲ. You will show what you are. They are your roots. If you speak wrong about others, it is your roots. That's all I can say. So stop this, grow and mature. Now what this Vinya Srinivas has done, he finished 2008 Sarvodaya. Then he went to SIT for 4 years. That is, he finished his engineering. After that, he went for PGCT. He went to Surathkal. I was very, very happy with this guy. He did his MSc and PhD. Now, he is being, paid so well by other countries, saying that because he is just a 28 years old guy who has got so big success. All over the world, among the 30 scientists, he is one among them. And we were very proud of him today. And you know what he said? I am being offered a salary of 1 crore per month. But I don't want to go out of this country. Why? Because our students, we are not giving them that education to the students which is going to give them life. We are not guiding our students because we are not seeing maturity in students. So it is a duty of all the teachers and even the students to mature, to know their life, what they want further. He is working in Indian Aerospace. Today he said he is going to work there and he is topmost scientist being proven by those people. Just being 28 or 29 years, he has gained so good knowledge, so good name and fame. It was only because of his hard work and perseverance. Nothing is easy, remember that, but dedication is there, everything is easy. So take your life to next level. Stop yourself being small. Think something big, what you want from your life. When you turn back these years, 2020, after 20 years, 2040, when you turn back to 2020, oh, I should have changed my life. No. Now I will change my life. I am going to do that. I'm not telling you to be a competitor. Please don't compete with others. All 5 fingers are different. 2 eyes are different. We have different sight for our eyes, though we have 2 eyes. You can go into, if you have studied biology, you'll understand. Our one part of our body is little bit bulgy. Our second part, our left part is little bit slimmer than that. Why? Because we work more from this side. So we having one body only, we have so much of difference. Don't compete. If you compete, you lose. Make a growth within you. It is not at all easy. That's why I did that poem, Road Not Taken, so that it is easy for you to understand that every road which leads to success or unsuccess, it gives you experience. So think big. If you want to go into the best colleges, you going to best colleges after this, why I am emphasizing this, especially your second PUC examinations, because timetable will not be changed. The portions will be, they have deleted, that's all. but exams will be conducted as per the government rules. Don't expect anything easy. It is going to be very difficult for you because you have not attended the classes. The interaction between the teacher and the child is very more important, because when you sit down to write, 1,000 question raises in your mind which you are not able to ask us. That is the biggest problem. So decide now. First PUC, leave it. It is just a promotional exam. Don't bother even if you have got 35%. Trust me, it is not going to be anywhere useful. Except for CET and NEET, it is going to be useful because 23, they are going to ask from there, 23 marks or 23%, whatever it is, they are going to ask. 40%, sorry, yes. 40% will be asked. So you are the changer of your life. You need to change your life. This second PUC, take it as a challenge. I am going to put myself under fire. I am going to really give my best. Sit day and night. Don't waste your time. This 4 to 5 months, it is like undergoing fire. Even the iron, the hardest and the hardest, that metal, it undergoes fire to get a shape. However intelligent you are, you may fall down. We had one student of 2018, I guess. Yes. 8th, 9th, 10th, first PUC, second PUC. He took JEE at Bangalore. Akash Institution. This guy would go every Saturday, Sunday. He was a topper there. His name is Tejas, Vishnu Tejas. We were all very happy when we would see his ranks in first PUC. There in that institution, he came first. But when he went to write JEE after second PUC, he didn't even qualify for it. Their parents were so sure that our child, only child, our child is going to get seat anywhere in any IIT colleges. Will you believe? He was not even qualified. Minimal qualification, this guy did not get 200 marks or 100 marks, whatever was the qualification. So where it leads to? It leads to ego. If you keep ego, you will never win. If you think that you are great, you think that you talk dirty things about some poor people, and you think you have become great, then you are the worst person. You want to grow, if you nurture yourself, if you want to grow. Today, that boy was telling the same thing. I was being nurtured. I was being nurtured by my own teachers. I was being nurtured by myself. I like that concept. Teachers will nurture, obviously. Every teacher wants that the child should really, every student gets first rank, we are the most happiest. Because it is not only our hard work, it is the students' hard work which really pays off. So don't destroy your life. It's one humble request as a teacher, as a mother, as a friend, whatever you take me. You like me or you don't like me, it doesn't bother me. The day you realize after 4 years or 5 years why I am like this, then you'll understand why I am like this. That's not at all important. You don't understand, doesn't bother. I am an ethical person who has lots of ethics. That's one big problem with me. I don't like to have this sugar-coated. I can never do that in my life. So have some rules in your life, have some principles in your life, make your life better. ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಕಾಲೇಜಲ್ಲಿ ಫ್ರೀ ಸೀಟ್ ಸಿಗ್ಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನೀವು ಶ್ರಮ ಪಡ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಿಜವಾಗ್ಲೂ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ, ಯು ಟರ್ನ್ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್, ಯು ವಿಲ್ ರಿಯಲೈಸ್ ಯುವರ್ ಮಿಸ್ಟೇಕ್. ಐ ಡಿಡ್ ಅ ವೆರಿ ವೆರಿ ಬಿಗ್ ಮಿಸ್ಟೇಕ್ by not sitting down for 3 to 4 hours and continuously putting myself under fire. ಮಜಾ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ ಇಡೀ ಜೀವನ ಇದೆ. ಒಂದ್ಸಲಿ ಯಾವ್ದಾದ್ರೆ ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಕಾಲೇಜಲ್ಲಿ ಫ್ರೀ ಸೀಟ್ ಸಿಕ್ಬಿಟ್ರೆ ಲೈಫ್ ಚಂದ. ವೈ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ. ಮೀನ್ 4 years ಏನ್ ಈಸಿ ಇರಲ್ಲ. 4 years ಈಸಿ ಇರಲ್ಲ. ಏನ್ ಬೆನ್ಸ್ ಕಾರ್ ಬಂತು ಅಂತ ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಖುಷಿ ಪಡ್ಬೋದು, ಓಡ್ಸಕ್ ಬರ್ಬೇಕಲ್ಲ. ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ ವೆರಿ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್. ಬಟ್ ಬೆನ್ಸ್ ಕಾರ್ ಬಂದಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಖುಷಿ ಪಡ್ಬೋದು ತಾನೆ. ಕಲಿಯೋದೇ ಆಮೇಲೆ ಕಲಿತೀವಿ ನಾವು. So make your life a meaningful one. Give some meaning. Nimge ನೀವು answerable, ಬೇರೆ ಯಾರಿಗೂ ಇಲ್ಲ. What you want from your life? Very, very. He said, I am going to serve this country till my last breath. Because our youngsters are not given so much of exposure towards the growth. Only engineering, doctor. Only engineering, doctor. He went there, he did his MS. Then those people there at Suratkal guided him, saying that you are good as a scientist. Today, where is he? Just 28, 29-year-old guy. And he is among 30, within 30 top scientists of the world. and India in that Suratkal, he stands first. I was very, 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 very happy today. We see children's success, we feel that it is our children. That's all I felt. He came and he touched our feet, all the teachers' feet, because I have not taught him. I said, God bless you, you grow as much as you want. Be like a banyan tree that you give shade to others. Don't grow on yourself. That is very, very important. When you grow, under you, you should have people who can take shade. ಬರೀ ನಾನೇ ಬೆಳಿಬೇಕು ಅನ್ನೋ ಜೀವನ ಇರಬಾರ್ದು. ನನ್ನ ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು 10 ಜನ ಬೆಳೀಲಿ. That one concept keep in your mind. You also, all those who are online, offline, you have this capacity to change your life, change this world. So make these words scribbled in your mind, in your life, that I am the maker and baker of my life. I know my words will be very hard to you right now, but once you realize, because maturity is not there, I understand second QC students, but now start maturing, pay attention to your education, leave everything aside, keep everything aside, however important it is, ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೆ ಡೈವರ್ಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಡಿ. ಒಂದೇ ಮಾತು ಹೇಳೋಣ, ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್ ಆಗಲಿ ತಂದೆ ತಾಯಿ ಆಗಲಿ ಏನಾದ್ರೆ ವಾಟ್ ಎವರ್ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್, isolate yourself for 4 to 5 months and see, you will see your performance with 97-98% with top ranks in CET and NEET. Trust me, dear students, you will be the most happiest person on this earth. Getting a free seat is itself very, very important. I know it makes no importance other than that. ಅದರಿಂದ ನಿಮ್ಮ ನಾಲೆಜ್ ತೋರಿಸಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ಲಿ, ಬಟ್ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಹಾರ್ಡ್ ವರ್ಕ್ ತೋರಿಸ. ಯಾವ ಕಾಲೇಜ್ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕು ಈ ವರ್ಷನೇ ಕೂತ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ರ್ಯಾಂಕಿಂಗ್ ಕಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಏನಿದೆ ನೋಡಿ, ನೀವು ಯಾವ ಕಾಲೇಜ್ ಇಷ್ಟಪಡ್ತೀರಾ ಆ ಕಾಲೇಜ್ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನೀಟ್ ರ್ಯಾಂಕಿಂಗ್ ನೋಡ್ಬೇಕು, CET ರ್ಯಾಂಕಿಂಗ್ ನೋಡ್ಬೇಕು. ಇಫ್ ಯು ಪ್ಲಾನಿಂಗ್ ಫಾರ್ ತುಮಕೂರು, ನಾನು SIT ನಲ್ಲೇ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕು. ವೈ? ಎಂತ ಡಬ್ಬ ಬ್ರಾಂಚಸ್ಗೂ ಕೆಲಸ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ. 5 lakhs ಪ್ಯಾಕೆಟ್ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ, 6 lakhs ಪ್ಯಾಕೆಟ್ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ. Even one of our student Pankaj Thakur, he got somewhere around about 36 lakhs. 36 lakhs ಪ್ಯಾಕೆಟ್ ಸಿಕ್ತು ಅವನಿಗೆ. ತುಮಕೂರಲ್ಲಿ 36 lakhs is great. One of our lecturer who was an ex-lecturer, his son went to Guwahati, same company. Pankaj Thakur also got, and his son also got Cisco. That guy got 31 lakhs and this guy got this much. It's only your mind game, how you are going to lead your life. Once you keep yourself success, ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ನೋಡಿ ಮಿಕ್ಕಿದೆಲ್ಲ ತಾನೇ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ. ನನ್ನ ಜೀವನದ ನಾನು ಒಂದು ಅರ್ಥ ಕೊಡಬೇಕು ಅನ್ನೋದು ಒಂದು ಮಕ್ಳಿಗೆ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ರೆ ಮುಗಿ. ಇಟ್ಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ದಟ್ ಯು ಟೇಕ್ ಕೇರ್ ಆಫ್ ಯುವರ್ ಪೇರೆಂಟ್ಸ್, ಯು ಟೇಕ್ ಕೇರ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಸೊಸೈಟಿ, ಇಡೋರೆಲ್ಲ ಬಡವರಿಗೆ ನಾನು ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ, ಅವೆಲ್ಲ ಆಮೇಲೆ ತಾನೇ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ. One thing is, I am the maker of my life. I don't want to be the breaker. Don't destroy your life. ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ವಾಪಸ್ ಬರ್ತಾರೆ ಜೀವನದಲ್ಲಿ. ಈ ಟೈಮ್ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ ವಾಪಸ್ ಬರ್ತಾರೆ. ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್ ಹೋಗಿರೋರು ವಾಪಸ್ ಬರ್ತಾರೆ, ನೆಂಟರು ಹೋಗಿರೋರು ವಾಪಸ್ ಬರ್ತಾರೆ, ದುಡ್ಡು ಹೋಗಿರೋರು ವಾಪಸ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಹೆಲ್ತ್ ಹೋಗಿರೋರು ವಾಪಸ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ನಿಮ್ ಪ್ರೀತಿಸೋರು ವಾಪಸ್ ಹೋಗಿ ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಬರ್ತಾರೆ, ಇನ್ನೊಬ್ರು ಬರ್ತಾರೆ, ಬೇರೆ ರೂಪದಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ತಾರೆ. ಶ್ರೀದೇವಿ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಮಾಧುರಿ ದೀಕ್ಷಿತ್ ಬರ್ತಾರೆ. That is secondary. That is secondary. That shouldn't be the concept in your life. ಅದನ್ನ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಟ್ರೆ ಎಲ್ಲೂ ಹೋಗಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಹಾಳಾಗದೆ. ನೀವು ಹುಡುಗರಾಗ್ಲಿ ಹುಡುಗಿರಾಗ್ಲಿ ಹಾಳಾಗದಂದ್ರೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕು ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ದಟ್ ಶುಡ್ ಬಿ ದ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಥಿಂಗ್. ನಾನು ತುಂಬಾ ಸಕ್ಸಸ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದೀನಿ, ಈಗ ಯಾರೋ ಒಂದು ಲೈಫ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ನರ್ ಬೇಕಾ ಅಂತ ಅನ್ಸಿದ್ರೆ ಅವಾಗ ಹುಡುಕಕ್ ಶುರು ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು, ಅವಾಗ್ಲೂ ಸಿಗ್ತಾರೆ. ಅವಾಗ ಇನ್ನೇನು ಇವ್ರು ಸಿಗ್ತಾರೆ, ಕತ್ರಿನಾ ಕೈಫ್ ಸಿಗ್ತಾರೆ. ಅವಾಗಿನ ಶ್ರೀದೇವಿ ಮಾಧುರಿ ಹಳೇದಾಗಿರ್ತಾರಲ್ಲ, ಕತ್ರಿನಾ ಕೈಫ್ ಸಿಗ್ತಾರೆ. If you have a better version, you will get that also. But don't destroy your life. Humble request for all my students. Second QC, I am going to give my best. ನಾನು ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅದ್ರ ಮೀರಿ ನಾನು ಇನ್ನೊಂದು 100 ಸಲ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಓದ್ತೀನಿ. ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಲ್ವಾ ಟೀಚರ್ಸ್ ತಲೆ ತಿಂತೀನಿ, ಇರೋದೇನಿಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವೆಲ್ಲ. I am going to give my best. ನನ್ನ ಟಾರ್ಗೆಟ್ ಎಷ್ಟು, ಇಷ್ಟೇ ನನ್ನ ಟಾರ್ಗೆಟ್. ಅದಕ್ಕಿಂತ 1% ಮೇಲೆ ಹೋಗ್ಬೋದು, 2% ಕೆಳಗೆ ಬರ್ಬೋದು, ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಬಟ್ ಒಂದು ಟಾರ್ಗೆಟ್ ಸೆಟ್ ಡೌನ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಹೇಗೆ ಓದ್ಬೇಕು? ಬೈ ಡಿಸೆಂಬರ್ ವಿ ಸಜೆಸ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಒಂದ್ ರೌಂಡ್ ಓದ್ಸೋದು ಮುಗಿಸ್ಬಿಡಿ ಅಂತ ನಾವು ಡಿಸೆಂಬರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ. ಬಿಕಾಸ್ CBSE ಇವತ್ತು ಮೀಟಿಂಗ್ ನಡೀತಾ ಇದೆ, ಕಾಲೇಜಸ್ ರಿಓಪನ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ ಮೀಟಿಂಗ್ ನಡೀತಾ ಇದೆ. CBSE ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಜಾನ್ವರಿನಲ್ಲೇ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಲ್ಯಾಬ್ ಆಗ್ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಫೈನಲ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್. ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಲ್ಯಾಬ್ಸೇ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಯು ಆರ್ ಇನ್ ಅ ವೆರಿ ಕ್ರಿಟಿಕಲ್ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್. ICU ನಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ ಈ ವರ್ಷ ನೀವು. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಆಕ್ಸಿಜನ್ ಹಾಕೊಂಡು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಓದಿ, ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಜೀವನ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಯೇಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಗಲ್ಲ. ನಾವು ಸಪ್ಲಿಮೆಂಟರಿ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಯೇಷನ್ ಹೋದಾಗೂ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು ಸ್ಟ್ರಿಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಯೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ನಾವು ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ QC ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಯೇಷನ್ ಇಲ್ಲೇ ನಡೀತು ನಮ್ಗೆ ಈ ವರ್ಷ ಇಂಪ್ರೆಸ್ ಕಾಲೇಜಲ್ಲಿ. ಅಲ್ಲೂ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು ಏನ್ ಲಿಬ್ರಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಮಾಡಕ್ ಬೇಕಿಲ್ಲ. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ QC ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ 23rd ಇರೋದು ಮಾರ್ಚ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ, ಜೂನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಪೇಪರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ನಾವು ಬೇಕಾದಷ್ಟು ಟೈಮ್ ಕೊಡ್ತೀವಿ ಇಂಗ್ಲಿಷ್ ಓದಕ್ಕೆ. They didn't allow us to go for liberalization, but we were a bit liberal, trust me. Because ಪಾಪ ಯಾವ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಬಂದಿದ್ರು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಫುಲ್ ಕಿಟ್ ಹಾಕೊಂಡೆ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ರು ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ಬರೆಯಕ್ಕೆ. ಆ 3 ಗಂಟೆ ಕೂತ್ಕೊಂಡು ಉಸಿರಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಬರೀಬೇಕಲ್ಲ ಪೇಪರ್ಸ್ ಅವರು. It was a very horrible situation for us to maintain that. Almost 800 students I think we had in our college. Social distancing, one bench ಗೆ ಒಂದೇ ಹುಡುಗ, ಅವ್ನು ಫುಲ್ ಸ್ಯಾನಿಟೈಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಅವೆಲ್ಲ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ ವರ್ಕರ್ಸ್ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ, ನಾವೇನ್ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ. ಬಟ್ ನಾವು ಕೂತ್ಕೊಂಡು ಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು, ಥರ್ಮಲ್ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಬರೀಬೇಕು, ಅವ್ನ ಫೋನ್ ನಂಬರ್ ತಗೋಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಸೈಡಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಂತು. ಇಷ್ಟು 99 ಮೇಲೆ ಇತ್ತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಈ ಸೈಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಂತ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದ. ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಅಂತವ್ರಿಗೆ ಬೇರೆ ಒಂದೇ ರೂಮ್, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ದಿರೋ ಡೆಸ್ಕ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಅವ್ನು ರಿಜಿಸ್ಟರ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಬಂದಿರೋದು ಖೌ ಖೌ ಅಂದಿರೋ ಒಂದು ಇನ್ನೊಂದು, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಎರೇಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಆ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ರೂಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅವ್ನಿಗೆ ಖೌ ಖೌ ಅಂದ್ಕೊಂಡು ಕೂತ್ಕೊಂಡು ಬರಿ ಅನ್ನೋದು. We faced hell, I'm telling you, we faced hell. ಇನ್ನೊಬ್ಬ ಫುಲ್ ಜ್ವರ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದೆ, ಇಲ್ಲ ಸರ್ ನಂಗೆ ಜ್ವರ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ, ಜೋಬಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ ಪ್ಯಾರಾಸಿಟಮಾಲ್. ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ, ಬರಿಯೋದ್ ಬಿಡ್ಬೇಕಪ್ಪ, ಪಾಪ ಅವ್ರು ವೇಸ್ಟ್ ಆಗಲ್ವಾ ಅವ್ರ ವರ್ಷ. ಮತ್ತೆ ಪೊಲೀಸ್ ಅವರು, ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ಸ್, ನರ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ನಿಂತಿದಾರಲ್ಲಿ, ಬೇಡಪ್ಪ ನೀನ್ ಬರೀಬಾರ್ದು ಮನೆಗೆ ಹೋಗು. ನಾವು ಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ತಗೊಂಡ್ಬಂದ, ಸರ್ ನನ್ಗೆ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಇದೆ, ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ಸರ್ ಅಂತ. ಅವಾಗ ಹೋಗಿ ಪಾಪ ಅವನಿಗೆ ಒಂದು ಒಂಟಿ ಜೀವ ಇಡೀ ರೂಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಒಬ್ಬ ಕುತ್ಕೊಂಡು ಬರೀತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಅದನ್ನ ಏನು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕಟ್ಬಿಟ್ರು, ಹೆಣ ಕಟ್ಟದ್ ಕಟ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಆಲ್ ಪಾಪ ಅವ್ನು ಬದುಕಿರಿಲ್ಲ ಒಂದೊಂದು ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ಬರೆಯಕ್ಕೆ. ಟೋಟಲಿ ಟೈಮ್ ಆಲ್ ದ ವೇಸ್, ಇನ್ನೆಲ್ಲೂ ಅಲ್ಲಾಡ್ಬಾರ್ದು, ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಕುತ್ಕೊಂಡು ಅಂತ ಅವ್ನು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಒಂದು ಪೇಪರ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟು, ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಪೇಪರ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟು, ಎಡಿಷನಲ್ ಶೀಟ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟು, ಬಾಗ್ಲು ಹಾಕ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಕುತ್ಕೊಂಡು ಬರಿ ಅಂತ ಬಿಟ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಒಂದ್ ಟೀಚರ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅವ್ನು ನೋಡಕ್ಕೆ. Again, it was a nice concept for us. We were just laughing because we were looking in the computer ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ವಿ. But we were not allowed to go. ಅಲ್ಲ ನಮ್ಮ ಪೇಪರ್ ನಾವು ಹೋಗಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ. Nice, it was really very funny concept that day. We should have seen some students, ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಈ ಗ್ಲೌಸ್, ಅಪ್ಪ ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಈ ಟೋಪಿ, ಸಾಕ್ಸ್ ಗಳಂತೆ, ಶೂ ಗಳಂತೆ. ನಾವ್ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ ಸ್ಯಾನಿಟೈಸ್ ಇದೆ ಕಣಪ್ಪ, ಸ್ಯಾನಿಟೈಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಆ ಪೆನ್ ಅಪ್ಪುಸು ಸ್ಯಾನಿಟೈಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಬರುದ್ರಪ್ಪ. ಅವಾಗ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇತ್ತು, ಆ ಪೇಪರ್ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತೂ ಪರವಾಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಅದು ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಬಿಡಿ, ಅದು ಹಾಳಾಗೋಗ್ಲಿ. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಫೇಲ್ ಆಗಿರೋರು ಮತ್ತೆ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ನಾವು ಇನ್ನೊಂದ್ಸಲಿ ಸಪ್ಲಿಮೆಂಟರಿ ಕೊಟ್ವಲ್ಲ, ಮತ್ತೆ ಸಪ್ಲಿಮೆಂಟರಿ ವಾಸ್ ಬಿನ್ ರಿಟರ್ನ್ ಅಗೇನ್. ವಿ ವೆಂಟ್ ಟು ಬ್ಯಾಂಗ್ಳೂರ್ ಸಪ್ಲಿಮೆಂಟರಿ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ಸ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಯೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ. ಅಮ್ಮ ಅದ್ರಲ್ಲೂ ಏನು ದ ಇಲ್ಲ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಅಗೇನ್ ಫೇಲ್. ಪಾಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಅಂತಾರೆ, ನಾವ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ಸ್ ಬರೆಯಕ್ಕಾಗುತ್ತಾ? ಅಂತ ಜನ್ಮ ಬೇಕಾ ನಮಗೆ? ಓಕೆ 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 ಓಕೆ, ಗೋ ಫಾರ್ Chinu Achebe. So one word today is, don't waste your life. Dear students, humble request. Okay, look at this man. He's an African writer. So Nigeria comes in Africa only. He's a Nigerian novelist. One of the best writer I can ever say in Africa is this man. He really writes 2 good stories. If you have time, you can read. Poet, professor, and critic. Critic is Vimarsana Madavu. Achebe's novel focuses on tradition of Igbo. Igbo is, you can pronounce it as Igbo or you can pronounce it as Igbo. Both are correct. Igbo are a set of people, like we Karnataka people of Karnataka, they are Igbo. Please stop talking. Once after 15 minutes I let you can speak how much you want. The effect of Christianity influences and the clash of the Western and the traditional African values during and after the colonial era. How we had colonial area, how the Britishers ruled us, Africans were also ruled by Europeans. You had this, the gentleman of the jungle. Remember in the first year? Yes. His style relies heavily on the Igbo oral tradition and combines straightforward narrations with representation of folk stories, proverbs, and oratory. Oratories speak of. He also published a number of short stories. If you have time, I would suggest you to read. Once after second PUC, you will have lots of time. After CET meet, you will have lots of time. 3 to 4 months, you will be free. Things fall apart. Arrow of God, no longer at ease. Enemy of the people, girls at war. Very beautiful concept. All these and better than these are, he has really written very good concepts. So I'll start with the voter. It is corrupting the whole system. This lesson is, I call it corrupting the whole system. What do you feel? What should be the system of voting? Yes, those who are present here can answer me. What do you feel should be the system of voting? What is the best way of voting? Sitting at home and voting? How are we going to decide whom to vote and whom not to vote? Because I think next year you people will be ready for it. What will you do? I appa amma ella irtaro gottadu. Uneducated idiots now. Hinga ankoninga banbidi ashte. Ilva? What basis are you going to nominate, or what basis you are going to elect him or her? What will be your criteria? No? You're not going to vote. Eligibility and eligibility ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಇದ್ದೇ ಇರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ. Once they are 23 or 24 years, they are ready. Other things? No. ಮುಖ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದ್ರೆ, height ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದ್ರೆ, age ಆಗಿದ್ರೆ. Yes. Don't tell me you don't know. I think you are educated. They are characters. Yes. Criteria? Okay, then? Yes, Aisha? Planning, development of the country. Development. As a person, as a politician.
What are the things which are going to not here, which is good on that basis?
But when you go to elect, that will not be displayed before you. How? By knowing how. Development. Very fast. Education. You will not look into this person profile. His or her person profile ನೋಡೋಣ ನೀವು. ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಅವನು ಹೇಳ್ತಾನೆ ನಾನು ಎಜುಕೇಶನ್ ಡೆವಲಪ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನೀವು ನೋಟ್ ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಡ್ತೀರಾ. ಅವನ ಪರ್ಸನಲ್ ಪ್ರೊಫೈಲ್ ನೋಡಲ್ವಾ? ಮತ್ತೆ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ವಾ 10 ಮರ್ಡರ್ 20 ರೇಪ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಅವನ್ನ ನೋಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ಅಂತ. Yes. Yes. I would like to listen to that answer. Yes. Maybe you may be the next. Whoever will answer. That is what we are going to expect from you. Okay. The criteria. Okay, enough. If you want us, you could say we could also enjoy. Yes. Give your answer. Hey, the background? ಅದೇ ಹೇಳಿಲ್ಲ ಪ್ರೊಫೈಲ್. ಓ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ಗ್ರೌಂಡ್ ನೋಡ್ತೀಯಾ? ಅದೇ ಹೇಳಿಲ್ಲ ಎಷ್ಟು ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬೇಕು. ಎಸ್. ನಮ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗಿದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅಲ್ಲ, ನಮ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ ದೊಡ್ಡ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಏನಂದ್ರೆ ಹೈರಾರ್ಕಿ ಇಸ್ ದ ಬಿಗ್ಗೆಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್. ಬಿಗ್ಗೆಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಇಸ್ ಹೈರಾರ್ಕಿ. ರಾಜನ್ ಮಗನೇ ರಾಜ ಆಗ್ಬೇಕು ಅನ್ನೋದು ಈಗ ನಡೆಯಲ್ಲ. ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಅ ಡೆಮೋಕ್ರೆಟಿಕ್ ಕಂಟ್ರಿ. Whether he or she is eligible for the post. But this generation, I am seeing very strong contenders are coming forward. Young minds should come forward. ಈ ಏಜ್ ಆಗಿರೋದನ್ನ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಸೈಡ್ ಕುಂದಿಸ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಆ ಯಂಗ್ ಮೈಂಡ್ some 40 ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಇರ್ತಾರಲ್ಲ, ರಾಹುಲ್ ಗಾಂಧಿ ತರ ಅಂತೂ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಅವನಂತೂ ಬೆಳೆಯೋದೇ ಇಲ್ಲ. When you read about the memoir of Obama, I was shocked. When he spoke about Manmohan Singh, I was shocked. Now we have great eminent leaders like P.V. Narasimha, who has rolled this country to the heights where we could never even expect what he has done. There are great leaders, but those great leaders were being suppressed because of this era, so-called as hierarchy in ruling the country. We had Nikhil Yediಯೂರಪ್ಪ. I hope you all remember. He was also indulged in so-called as politics. Again, an underdeveloped mind. He wants to go for films. Why force your children which they don't like? A doctor maga doctor ಆಗ್ಬೇಕಂತ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ರೂಲ್ ಇದೆ? ಅವ್ರಿಗೇನು ಇಷ್ಟ ಮಾಡೋದು ಬಿಡಿ, ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಅವ್ರಿಗೇನು ಬರಲ್ಲ ಎತ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗಿ ತಳ್ಳಿದ್ರೆ. You give me potatoes, I'm going to give you gold coins. Yes. He is going to go to Mars. There he is going to invent one machine where people, the farmers will give him potatoes. He'll put potatoes inside the machine and give gold coins to the farmers. Very nice concept. So such people you think can rule our country? Again a wrong concept. Okay, let's not go to it. So what they have dedicated comes only on the way they talk. Some people really speak too good. You can understand education is very important now when you go into politics also. Because we have some students who have completed their IAS, they come to us. We had Nagarjun, he was from 2003 batch. He was saying just one thing, ma'am, day and night, I sat down and I finished my IAS. But we have to stand in front of those dirty, corrupted criminals, saluting them just because they are politics. They are not even worth to be smelled. But the word this boy used, he was just a 30 or 32-year-old guy. He was in medical. He finished his medical. Then he wanted to go for civils. He went to civils, and first attempt he finished. I was shocked when he said, "What are you speaking now?" I said, "Yes, man, 100% ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ ನಾನು. ಇವ್ರು ಹೇಳ್ದಂಗೆ ನಾವು ಕುಣಿಬೇಕು. ನಮ್ ಏನೂ ನಡೆಯಲ್ಲ. ಆ DC can't do anything. That is what is like. Even Shruti Venugopal, she was again from 2006 batch out. She also said she was working in PM office. She was telling those politics thing that we are puppets in their hands. No power is being given. That's why if they make this president power, or if they make this military rule, I think our country will survive. People will stop talking nonsense. People will stop using, this so-called as dirty language to use on the net. Just because freedom is there, you need educated person. So let's begin a little more. I think I've got just 5 minutes. I'll start with the lesson. Okay. Do you have voting system in the college? Yes or no, you can write. To what extent is voting important for democracy? I told you, it can bring the king to the beggar level and the beggar to the king's level. The public power is very, very big. You can do whatever you want. It is only left up to you. But when you start voting next year, keep in mind the background of the person, what he or she is, eligible or not eligible. Sumne hogi vote madbedi. Don't waste your power. This man, our Rufus Okeke, his name is Rufus Okeke. The major part he plays here in this lesson. He is the voter. He is the voter. Why this man is so important? Why this man is given so much of importance? Just a voter. He is not only a voter, he is a man responsible for many things which runs there in that village. It is a story about a village. It is a story about the political man who has come to the power. The name of that village is Umuofia. It is a village in Africa, in Nigeria. He is there, they speak Igbo. Igbo is a language. Somewhere they have just changed, they have translated this and they have given us in English. Very beautiful lesson, I can say. If you take it as a moral of your life, you will win the battle. Look, he holds a ballot paper in his hand. I told you, ಆ ಕಾಲದಲ್ಲಿ machines ಇರಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಈಗ ನೀವು ಆಧಾರ್ ಕಾರ್ಡ್ ತಗೊಂಡು ಹೋಗ್ತೀರಾ, ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಒಂದು ಬೂತ್ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ which is being sealed down. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ನೀವು ಯಾರು ಬೇಕೋ ಅವ್ರು ಇಷ್ಟಪಡ್ತೀರಾ ಅವ್ರು ಬಟನ್ ಪ್ರೆಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಬರಬೇಕು, ಅವ್ರ ವೋಟ್ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ. ಬಟ್ ದೆನ್ ಇಟ್ ವಾಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಲೈಕ್ ದಿಸ್. 3 ಜನ ನಿಂತ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ 10 ಜನ ನಿಂತ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ನೀವು ನಿಮ್ ಬ್ಯಾಲೆಟ್ ಪೇಪರ್ನ ತಗೊಂಡು ಯಾರಿಗೆ ಹಾಕ್ತೀರಾ ಅವ್ರು ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ವೋಟ್ ಹೋಗೋದು. ದೆನ್ ಇಟ್ ವಾಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನಿಕ್ಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ಇಟ್ ವಾಸ್ ಮ್ಯಾನ್ಯುಯಲಿ. ಸೊ ವೈ ಆಮ್ ಟೆಲಿಂಗ್ ಬ್ಯಾಲೆಟ್ ಪೇಪರ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇದು ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಇದೆ. ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಎಂಡ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಲೆಸನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಇದೆ. ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ as a ballot paper. This is the box where the ballot papers were being dropped, and then the counting would begin. Okay, ಎವ್ರಿ ಬೂತ್ ಇದನ್ನ ಎತ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗಿ ಒಂದು ಸೆಂಟರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ತಗೊಂಡು ಹೋಗಿ ಅದನ್ನ ಕೌಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ ಶುರು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರು. ಇಟ್ ವಾಸ್ ಅಂಡರ್ ದಿ ಸರ್ವಿಲೆನ್ಸ್, ಅದು ಕ್ಯಾಮ್ರಾ ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ನಡೀತಾ ಇತ್ತು. ಬಟ್ ಆ ಡಬ್ಬ ಆ ಜಾಗದಿಂದ ಆ ಜಾಗ ಹೋಗೋಷ್ಟರಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇತ್ತು ಅದು ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಯಾರು. Okay, I shall begin today bit of it. So this will be a 1 mark question. What is full name of Roof? Rufus Okeke. Roof for short. So you can interchange the question. Rufus Okeke short name was Roof. Roof original name was Rufus Okeke. His original name was Rufus Okeke. Was a very popular man in his village. So this is a story about a village, not about a town. Starting of the lesson itself, they have given you about Roof, who plays a very dominant role in this village. He was a popular person. Where in his, why was he popular? Look here. Although the villagers did not explain it in so many words. If you ask about the villagers, why is Roof important? They did not have those words to explain about him. But Roof popularity was measure of their gratitude. They were thankful to Roof, to an energetic young man who, unlike most of his fellows nowadays, had not abandoned the village in order to seek work. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು, ಹಳ್ಳಿ ಹುಡುಗರು ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಒಂದು ಏಜ್ ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಸಿಟಿಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ತಾರೆ ಕೆಲಸಕ್ಕೆ. Roof had not abandoned his village. He was there working in his village. He was a young guy. He was popular because, like the other young boys, he had not left his village. He was there, but it is not that he did not go. He went and he came back. But till now, it has been given to you that he was doing service to his village. Abandoned the village in order to seek work. Any work in the town. And Roof was not a village loved either. On bare ಹಳ್ಳಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಹುಟ್ಟಿ ಹಳ್ಳಿನಲ್ಲೇ ಬೆಳೆದಿದ್ದಾನೆ ಅಂತ ಇಲ್ಲ. He was not a village boy. Doubt is a boy. He had an experience of going out of the village also. And Roof was not a village loved. Doubt is a boy either. Everyone knew how he had spent, please underline this, 2 years as a bicycle repair apprentice. So bicycle repairing ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅವನು ಬೇರೆಯವರಿಗೆ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದ. Apprentice is a person who teaches, and he himself does that repairing of the cycle. So 2 years he was not in the village. He was working in the nearby town. He was working as a bicycle repair apprentice. 1 mark question. Where? In a place called as Port Harcourt. It is a place nearby Umuofia. Please underline these all things. So for how many years he worked? He worked as a bicycle repair apprentice for 2 years at Port Harcourt. Very, very important. These all are very important 1 mark question. I told you, you will win with 4 marks. You will win with 6 marks. But 1 mark you don't have option. You have to write all the questions. In Port Harcourt, and had given up of his own free will a bright future to return to his people and guide them in these difficult times. These and they are. Now, he was a very successful person as a cycle repair apprentice. But he left that on his own and he came to help people in these difficult times. There was some difficulty in his village and this guy left the town. The business which was running really very good and he was earning really well. He left that and he came to this village, leaving all that work. Very important. Why? Not that the name of the village is Umuofia needed a lot of guidance. Unidane anta guidance bekittu anta illa. Elli Umuofia is a place in Nigeria. Yeah, story. Idi story Umuofia nalle nadiyutte. The village already belonged en masses. En masses means to the people. En masses means people. To underline this, very important. People Alliance Party. That's a short form called as PAP. So this whole village belonged to this party. So it is politics. Here it starts with politics. Not that Umuofia needed a lot of guidance. The village already belonged en masses to the People's Alliance Party. And its most illustrious son, a very famous son. Who? Please underline this. Chief, the Honorable Marcus Ibey. So who was the chief of it? Marcus Ibey. Again, a very dominant role being played by this man. What was he? What was his designation? Was Minister of Culture. So in the People's Alliance Party, Marcus Abbey, he was, what was his designation? He was a Minister of Culture. Where? In Umofia, the village where Ruth was staying, where Marcus was staying, that village where Ruth had left that Port Harcourt, and he came back when people had these difficult times. Difficult means politics. When politics came to this village. Okay, pay attention. Chief, the Honorable Marcus Abbey was Minister of Culture in the outgoing government. Outgoing means on 5 years term mugdogide, innonsari elections barta ide. He was the outgoing party, which was pretty certain to be incoming one as well. So he was so famous. People knew that he's going to come back again as a Minister of Culture. He will be elected by his people. Nobody doubted. Nobody is the general public. Nobody doubted that the honorable minister would be elected in his constituency. Everyone was sure that again the elections will be conducted and Marcus Abbey is going to come back again as a Minister of Culture. That has been accepted by all the people there because these people had a lot of love and gratitude towards this man. But opposition to him was like proverbial fly trying to move a dunghill. See, one concept I tell you. 5 years ago, when he was being elected as Minister of Culture, Marcus Abbey did not have any opposition. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು 5 ವರ್ಷ ಹಿಂದೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಎಲೆಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ನಡೆಯಿತು ಈ ಮೋಫಿಯಾನಲ್ಲಿ. ಅವಾಗ ಇವನು ಎದುರುಗಡೆ ಯಾರು ನಿಂತಿರ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ, ಅಪೋಸಿಷನ್ ಪಾರ್ಟಿ ಯಾರು ಇರಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಅವನೊಬ್ಬನೇ ಕಂಟೆಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು, ಒಬ್ಬನೇ ರೇಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಓಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರೆ ಅವನೇ ಗೆಲ್ತಾನಲ್ವಾ, ಫಸ್ಟೇ ಬರೋದು. He got the votes from his people because the people then did not knew about elections. They thought someone from our son from our village is going to be nominated and we are going to elect him only. So they elected him and he won. For 5 years he ruled. But this time he had an opposition. There is another one person standing opposite to Marcus Abbey. So he gives one proverbial, he uses what? Now what is a dunghill? The cow dung is being kept in a heap. If a fly sits on it, a noda adra mele kootkondre, a cow dung hill move madakagala. So he compares himself to the dunghill and he compares the opposition to the fly. Avune nan munde ishte ishta, avunu nange en ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ. He cannot move me. So he compares himself to the dunghill and he compares the opposition person who is standing before him for this elections as a fly. There is one word clearly being given to you. It is a proverb. These are all one mark question. To whom it refers, you should write that it refers to the opposition person. The dunghill refers to Marcus Abbey and the fly refers to opposite person. Opposition to him was like proverbial fly. A fly, proverbial fly, trying to move a dunghill. Adu nannanu enu aladisakagutte, I am tumba strong because in strength and in height and in everything I am strong. That is what Marcus Abbey believed. It would have been ridiculous. Tumba kettadu. It's a very bad thing. Without coming. Ee tara bandbittu nan munde nintkodakinta they should have not come this time. It is ridiculous that they have come and stood before me. I am a dunghill and they are just a fly. Ee tara entry kodakinta barde iradu basi. He is trying to underestimate the opposition. 5 years ago there was no opposition, but this time he has an opposition. It would have been ridiculous enough without coming as it did now. It is the opposition party from a complete non-entity, not important. Yargu gottillade ಏನು ಇದೆ ಇರೋದು, they don't have any important and they have come and stood before me to stand this time and win the elections. So I'll end my class because I've got one more. Tomorrow I shall continue. Okay, so go back home. Please underline one more questions which are very, very important. You know, this is your, they really need that. Okay, thank you.